tunasarenda sasa tuingie serikali kwa tunawachwa nje. Hatutaki hii serikali, tutaunda serikali ambayo inakuja. Tutaunda serikali state. So I have not heard anybody complaining. But I've said when it comes to principal secretaries, I've said that any qualified Kenyan, because the moment you now politicize the civil service, you have ruined the country further. Yes. So they cannot say principal secretary is to party ODM, principal secretary to party Jubilee, principal secretary to party Oda. Those are qualified, the ones who qualify, and you guys in parliament must really blow it out of proportion. Because hapa nataka sema Raila atapatiwa ma principal secretaries view wangapi na nani namna hiyo. So that's the only thing. Lakini mawaziri wachukue. And we are saying anybody joining Kenya Kwanza now in the hope, because wengine wanasema after 6 months to the election tutatoka huko tusimame, watapelekwa the same route na Ruto. Si namna hiyo? Because you cannot have your cake and have it. Therefore, I'm just giving you a kionjo. I've also said today that we are going to form a state capture commission. Tunaanza hiyo. Who doesn't know Andani was taking over our international airport? What you don't know is who was paid how much money by that Andani fellow. We will need to get the bottom of it. People wanted to sell our heritage, ya watoto wetu. We will continue. Because I remember Ruto was the one talk about state capture. But you know, wengine wanasema tulipata serikali haina pesa. Kama haina pesa mnatafutia Uhuru kufanya nini? Jamaa anaenda na 12 million shillings kwa Harambee. So this is the state of the nation. But we must hope and keep hope alive that next year will be a year of serious political development. We are going to form the winning coalition. The winning coalition. And so, mimi nawashukuruni. After all, sasa mnaniharibu roho kwa birthday yangu. I didn't want to talk much about, but it's tomorrow anyway. So nimewapa kionjo, and quite frankly, it's been tremendous. We could talk about impeachment of a deputy president.